Yeah.
Alright, so look here now, brother.
Yeah.
I come out here and I ask people them, how has a COVID, the pandemic, the virus affected your year?
Yeah, me have to run from my yard at St. Elizabeth. Me have big problem at St. Elizabeth. Family want to kill me, uncle want to kill me. My uncle say him kill my father. Windows and doors. Yeah, him send shot my father. This time man shot him.
What you mean?
Yeah, me have to run it. Go over there, take me, crowd, gather.
Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
I mean, people that don't know, say Yaadman, Etan, and I are back in Jamaica right now. We are in half a tree. You see me? And look here now. Don't bother tag Christoph Tan. Don't bother tag the Ministry of Health because my quarantine done. Now bother with it. Christoph Tan, if you see this, I still want my zinger. COVID has changed my life. Big time. I don't open my don't know about how I've been dealing with my mental health through COVID. So right now, I want to see how it's been dealing with the Jamaican people on the ground. So come in. I try to get some people and try to get some bumbo. Dog, you know how long we not do the interview, your dog? Come in. Yeah, welcome, brother. Where you come from?
Kobe, come from Waterhouse.
Zach.
Wait. You look like you have a thing for your name, bro. Man, understand, Zach.
Yeah, no, you know how the things say Gucci, is it to me I say?
So people that don't know says Yaadman. And I am in this wonderful store. Could you guys please tell me what store this is, please?
My sex versions are the adult Chinese. Right, yes, sir.
Right, Ronia store. Clock Tower. Shop number 5 beside K&M Wholesale, upstairs on the first floor.
Ooh, all right, that makes sense as to why I'm seeing all these things. Okay, all right, so kids on YouTube, all of this will be censored. This will be on Instagram, and I said the whole thing. All right, my dear, what is your name?
Okay, my name is Amy.
What's your name, brother?
Chaplain Simpson.
Chaplain Simpson. Are you this Chaplain Simpson?
Yeah, the man will do the Chaplain dance.
The man with the Chaplain dance.
Chaplain. Yeah, Bunty say yellow. Elephant man said Chaplain a Jamaica middle name. Visa for go to England go train. I visa the Sialupan.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm here the up top man.
Yo, Kobe from Waterhouse. Talk to me, dog. How has COVID affected your year?
Alright, it has affected it really bad, you know.
Yeah.
Because I basically stopped working from, it just came out, the first case in Jamaica.
Yo, for real?
Yeah.
That's from March. So you don't work from March?
No, haven't worked.
Damn!
So what you try? How you try hustle the thing, dog?
Yeah, you know, so I just have to take it easy and look at money I have saved.
Yeah.
Buy some things, try to spin over. But that run out now.
How has COVID affected your year, brother?
Carnival.
What if somebody told you that carnival will never be the same?
So you say you miss one pan the girl, them bump on a tree?
Yeah, I get some, carnival. Completely up carnival.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So you never pay no money for carnival yet?
Oh yeah, me did pay money and all of that.
To a go on in the world, you know, you better you go your bed.
People them, I'm with carnival. You see me? Yeah. We don't want social distance, we want rope on the girl, them bump on, not true.
I don't care. Life too short, just get up front and dead.
What you mean?
COVID time, dog. How has COVID affected your year?
Boy, it terribly right now overseas me supposed to. Yeah. But at the end of the day, I still give thanks. You know, cause at the end of the day is we have life. You get what I say?
Yeah.
So what I do, I basically don't make it get me down. So I do have some little savings. So I end up create a little store you see here.
Yeah.
Can feature that thing. So upstairs is there. It name SV Top Trend Boutique. So they can follow it on Insta page, right? And get the follow up. Get what I say? But I'm saying everybody wear your guys' mask because this is real, COVID.
Yeah. How has COVID affected your year?
Well, to be honest, it's been really good. I'm not gonna say business-wise here.
Because we're e-business, so like most of our transactions are like orders and stuff like that. It's done like primarily online, so you still have persons ordering regardless of, you know, what going outside. COVID not really. Yeah.
So what you're saying is because the people them have to start the hanky-panky in real life because of COVID and not trying to contract it, them just get the next best thing.
True.
Yeah.
Amy, talk to me real quick. How has COVID affected your year?
Well, let's just say it's been a bumpy ride, but so far it's not too bad. Could have been better. I think for me personally, I think social-wise, academical-wise, yeah, it has affected those areas in the sense that, face-to-face, not anymore. So, yeah, it has affected me, but as I say, I try to jump over the hurdles and I try not to look into it. I try to look past it.
I got you. So you upset the carnival now keep and you have to do class on Zoom. What is what you're saying?
No, I don't do carnival. I don't do carnival.
But the class on Zoom is just annoying.
It's not really bad. I think what's annoying is internet connection.
Flow.
No, it's not flow.
It's not flow?
No, let me not.
It's
not flow, but it's like, it's not flow. I love Digicel.
Yeah.
But since recently, they've been moving away. But love is still Digicel.
Interesting, because when me there, my flow now flow for 3 days. You see me? So I don't know when this video will go up on YouTube.
Yeah.
Alright, so look at now, brother.
Yeah.
I come out here and I ask people them, how has a COVID, the pandemic, the virus affected your year?
Yeah, me have to run from my yard at St. Elizabeth. Me have big problem with St. Elizabeth. Family want to kill me, uncle want to kill me. My uncle say him kill my father. Yeah, him send shot my father. This time man shot him.
What you mean?
Yeah, me have to run it, go over here, take me, crowd gather in my yard Sunday night. Monday they want to kill me. Wednesday me have to run from country come back. Hold on. Before me come at town, me go
5 minutes later.
But right now me not sleep. Me up on the street, me I suffer. Saying, right now me I hustle, me I do some bush business. Right, medicine.
See a doctor?
Yeah, me is a scientific research council visitor. Right? Me from scientific research. That's why I have this Minister of Industry and Commerce and Investment. Right? The Bureau of Standard and the Scientific Research Council. So I want the government do something for me, because right now is a loss, because things to go on for me are not now going. I'm there, I do some business, and right now through the COVID, I'm down and out. I need some funds.
Understand. So how are you mentally, brother?
Mentally?
Yeah.
Very shaken up.
Very shaken up.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, Christopher, if you see this in a brother, the people them out in Jamaica will shake up in a brother.
Yeah, man, because right now I can't believe I say it really deal with the place. Because I hear it overseas long before it reaches it.
So talk to me real quick. Be honest with me, dog. How has your mental health been affected?
You see the thing, I'm kind of antisocial and I kind of not really like talk to people, so I never really freaking with me like that, It's the only thing, like I change when they want to change my antisocial way, somebody want to go out more. And then next thing I know, Corona come and everybody turn on them yard, so it's like, well, it look like this will go happen, you see me?
Oh, so carnival and the girl them bump up a dry out and then COVID say turn on your yard.
Yeah, it's like all friggin', just go places and now I can't even do that. So it's like, it's like the universe, I say just turn your ass inside. Yeah. And look like Corona gone away, so.
So brother, just a while ago you say, you're doing these things to keep your spirits up. Talk to me, tell me the truth. How has your mental health been affected?
Why? You can't even imagine. Because last couple of weeks ago, I myself had to be in quarantine. Yeah. So it rendered me helpless at the end of the day, where I have to be present to do majority stuff in my life. I can't do it. Yeah. So it affects me financially, where I can't manage, represent my business. Yeah. It affects me mentally, and emotionally as well, where I can't even get around my friends and say, yo, let's be two domino. Yeah. You get to me and say, let's roll like, how we call it, Yaadman fest. Yeah. That's what I say, we can't even do that.
So, can you guys tell me about how COVID has affected your mental health, if it has?
Mentally, me the album, I don't know about you. Me the album. Up, down, in between, everywhere.
At work, I do have a struggle with it mentally, because I have something to occupy my mind, So it's not like it's being a press on the mind, like, oh, why, Still at work, business are going.
Man, you have enough things to occupy your mind. You have handcuffs? Sorry, that was just for me. You have handcuffs?
Yes, we do. We have
sets. So you can catch that with them.
They have handcuffs. Yeah, man. Alright. Cool. You, come here. This fist fit around your wrist and sorry. So sorry.
Why you do it, John Cross?
See, alright. So talk to me. How has your mental health been?
Mental health, wow. I think mental wise, COVID has affected me, but mentally I try to stay stable. So what I try to do, surround yourself with positivity, love, family, friends, pray spiritual wise, try to stay on a good level with God. Talk to God and pray about it, As I said, try to watch and listen to uplifting stuff. So that has helped me a lot.
Hallelujah.
So talk to me. How has COVID affected your mental health?
Well, it slow me up. It mash up my business. Right now, I'm ready to start a company in my country. The company is Innovator, Exhibitor, Discovery Confidential. That's my personal company, personal associate company business. I have another company, shares in a government business. That's why I have this. This is the shares. This is the shares in the government business.
Wait a minute.
I visa the Shalukpan. This is the shares in the government business. So I want the government to do something for me as something has to be done. Come up on the street and suffer through COVID.
Yeah, man, something has to be done.
I can't go to my yard because when I come back from country, because I'm trying to kill my country. After I hear say, I understand what happened to my father, the gunman shot him, kill him down there. My uncle now, I cover up something, and them I try to hide me in my country because they want to kill me same way. Right?
Help me, nigga.
People want to keep me. Come back at town, my cousin said the people them said they run out of the yard from 32 years ago. Right? In the 32 years, I do 25 years in my yard. I do business. I have my insurance plan, I have my pension plan, right? And now I hustle. Plus the shares and the company when I register for 25 years. So they want to deny me, say me a problem. In my yard, people come to kill me. So I need some help from the government. I need to secure my yard. I need witness protection and all those things. So it's not like me just give it to the camera. They already know that. Right? I don't deal with that. So I look for some changes in my life right now. You understand?
Tell me the God truth. Ease up off of the girl then from COVID?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Ease up off of them wicked, man. Because now no money for maintain them, is it?
I understand. And right now you don't want to catch no COVID from no place, not true?
No way at all.
Alright, brother. Big up yourself. Me dap you up in the dark, but you see me? Alright, bless up yourself, brother. Alright, talk truth. You say antisocial. Carnival they try to dry you out. COVID time. You still a ramp with the girl them same way, dog? You stay safe. Alright, big up yourself in there, brother. John, no, COVID that stop the girls them from the road to blood. Brother. So tell me the truth, brother. You have to hold off for the girl them to not true, because you don't know where they come from, not true.
Why? You know, so that sense that still, but you know, we have to do what we have to do.
We understand. Anyways, thank you guys very much. People them, my sex expressions. Sex bring about 4 different things in a 2020, You see me? STDs, picnic, COVID, and feelings. Alright? You can drop the feelings and you can drop the COVID, right? So, alright, big up on the damn self. Thank you very much.
Why you do it, John Cross?
So, last thing I know says, COVID time, has that affected, any relationships like, I don't know, yeah, man?
I don't want to discuss that.
So every time your man come over, you have to give him like a hand sanitizer before and start Jim Screech and beer things, right?
No, I don't do that.
Alright.
Plus, I have music for the, I want the music, I dance, I want the music and all those things.
So you're a dancer?
Yeah.
Show us something quick. Quick.
Me monkey didos.
Hold on there. Alright, dude. Hold on. Alright, people. Alright, people. So, what your name again, brother?
Chaplain Simpson.
Chaplain Simpson. People, them. I was Yaadman with Chaplain Simpson. Alright, people, them. Yeah, we're gonna close out this interview, you know. Alright, quick and fast. I'm gonna have to run because me never know if somebody uncle did want to come bust off my throat. You see me I say? But people them, that was it. Yaadman, signing out at 3:30. You see, me don't want to go over KFC, but not even KFC business about curfew right now. Me need for day in my yard before 8 o'clock. So people them, make sure, say, wear on a mask, sanitize on the damn and them, wash on the damn and them. And if COVID has affected your mental health, try to talk to somebody. Because the whole way I go through it. Alright? Cut off done. Ministry, if you don't get tagged on this video, don't worry, I'm done my quarantine already. People don't chat too blood that much. Alright, we're out.